In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a template button in Notion. If you repeat the same notes, checklists, or page structure day after day, a template button will save you time and keep your workspace consistent. We'll walk through creating the button, setting up its action, adding the content you want it to generate, finalizing it, and using it with a single click. Start on any Notion page where you want the button to live. Click into the page and type /button. From the menu that pops up, choose the button option. Notion will drop a new button onto your page and open a configuration window, so you can customize how it behaves. If the menu doesn't appear right away, make sure your cursor is in a text block and you've typed the / at the start of the line. In the configuration window, give your button a clear, descriptive name, like New Meeting Notes or Daily Planner. A good name helps you recognize its purpose later. Next, choose the action. For templates, select Insert Blocks. This tells Notion that when you press the button, it should create a set of blocks you define. You can change this action at any time if your needs evolve. Now, add the content you want reproduced each time the button is clicked. Inside the configuration box, type or drag in blocks exactly the way you want them to appear. This can include plain text, headings, to-do checkboxes, callouts, dividers, and even databases or linked databases. You can paste in existing content from elsewhere on your page, rearrange it by dragging the handles, and adjust formatting so it's perfect before saving. Consider adding placeholders like agenda, action items, or a dateline to make each generated set easier to fill in. Everything you put here becomes the ready-made template the button will generate. When you are happy with the setup, click Done. Notion saves your configuration and your button is ready to go. You can always come back and edit the button later if you want to tweak the name or the blocks it inserts. To use your new template button, simply click it. Instantly, Notion will insert the blocks you configured right on the page, typically at or below your current cursor position. Click it whenever you need a fresh copy. Each press generates a new set, so you can create multiple instances without retyping anything. It's a quick, reliable way to standardize your workflows and keep your notes uniform. That's it. You've created a template button in Notion, configured it, added your content, finalized it, and used it to generate blocks with one click. Thanks for watching.